So you've been involved in a car accident on the Mass Pike, and you're not sure exactly what to do if that happens, and you want to be prepared. Great question. So number one, safety is the most important thing. You're on a major highway. People are driving 65, 70, 75, 80 miles an hour. And in the society we live in, with the texting and all the other distractions, you need to really be careful. So it depends on really how injured you are and where you are. So generally, the advice that I give when you're involved in a motor vehicle accident is not to move the vehicle, right? Because when the police get there, and in this case, the state police get there, you really want the vehicle's positioning to help tell the story so that it's easy to prove that the defendant's at fault or negligent. The problem is often you pull over and you're in the breakdown lane. And so if you're sitting in your car in the breakdown lane, it can be super dangerous. Generally, I don't advise people to get out of their cars. I don't recommend that you sit in your car in the breakdown lane. There are a lot of accidents where cars coming up on the roadway aren't paying attention and slam into the back of your car, causing even more injuries. Because think about the number of police officers and troopers who are pulled over on the side of the road with their lights on, talking to another driver, and their car gets hit. So my advice is, if you're able to get out of your car because you're not seriously injured and you're already at the breakdown lane, get out of the car and get into the grass to talk to the trooper. So what's the first thing you do? Of course, 911. Tell them where you are, an accident that was involved, how many people are involved, how many vehicles are involved, and that you need a rescue if you're injured. Number two is protect yourself. So think about what I just said, where you should be, whether you should get out of your car. Now, if you're in the middle of the highway and cars are passing you on one side or the other, do not get out of your car. Do not try and cross the highway. My advice of getting out of the car, to be clear, the car spun out or you were able to, after you were rear-ended, you pulled off into the breakdown lane. That's what I'm saying to get out of your car. Don't stay in the breakdown lane. Middle of the highway, cars are passing you, stay where you are. You're much safer in your car than you are trying to cross the road. So, number one, protect yourself. Number two, 911, have the police come. Witnesses, get their information, make sure they give the report to the state trooper. Same as any accident, right? You want to make sure that everything is documented, as much detail as you can get. You want to be able to provide that to the trooper. That's my advice if you're in an accident on the Mass Pike.